A little kid with backpack bright held his rabbit snug and tight. Off to school they went one day, hopping down the grassy way. The rabbit peeked with curious eyes, books and crayons a sweet surprise. Classroom buzzing like a hive, both felt so alive. Jump and learn and laugh all day, with friends and books we shout hooray. The world is ours in every class, with rabbit tales that truly last. Painted skies and picture frames, counting stars and learning names, sharing stories hand in hand in this wonderland. The bell it rings, we're ready now, time to show them just how bright we shine and how we play in our own special way. As the sun dips low and slow, tired feet we start to show. Rabbit whispers in the ear, back to home my dear.